Hey guys, I'm here at CVS, going to show you guys how to do virtual makeup try-on with Gosha in the store. So I'm going to scan this Maybelline foundation and you can see the try-on button pops up. That means there is try-on. And here you see a hologram video from Maybelline pops up, but I'm going to skip that. Press the try-on button and gonna start loading the try-on. Give privacy permission, selfie mode, and that's me. And I'm gonna pick a lipstick shade and try those shades out. But as you can see, my eyes are already all done up as I was trying out some different eyeshadow shades. But let's see. Maybe a darker shades for my lips. That one. Yeah, that looks good. I'm ready to go out tonight now. Now let's pick a mascara. That one right there. Black. Boom. That looks pretty good. Hey guys, I'm here at CVS,